Many people coming for us, they ask me if I have black magic, if I have jinn, if I have this, that, but they are forgetting the most important thing. That's other thing, to black magic or other, it is not everybody can do it. It's a very real thing to do, but the real one, the bad eye, is what Prophet ﷺ saying. For bad eye, if they you show people, and this one of them, they have bad eye, they can finish you. Sometimes you get very bad thing which you cannot survive. To protect yourself, don't show everything what Allah gave you, what you have, because this time people, they don't understand, they don't have mercy on, they have envy, jealousy, and enemy for people who they are better than them.